Hello everybody and welcome back to TanFan Productions. It is June 18th, 2025 and it is 11:23 in the morning. I am back at my aunt's house and the 2000 train has been replaced. Here's a look of the new carrier. And from what I saw, this is a 2023 carrier. And this is a heat pump instead of an air conditioner. So a little story behind the replacement. The AC didn't give out, but something in like the air handler or furnace gave out, so they decided to replace the whole system. So they upgraded to this new heat pump. And from what I heard, Trane did make good air conditioners, but I heard they're not as good anymore because they use a lot of plastic and they have shorter lifespans. Carrier is a good brand, but it's expensive. Give you a look at the data. And that appears to be a 4-ton. 48 in the model number, 48,000 BTU. So, there you have it. This is a 2023 Carrier heat pump that replaced a 2000 Trane XP1000 air conditioner. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day. Out.